Stitch number 2 and stitch number 8 on the Pfaff Quilt Expression 4.2 sewing machine is a triple straight stitch and a triple zigzag. Now look at how this is going to stitch. Number 1, it has you put on just your standard presser foot, dual feet is engaged, but check out the stitch length. So if you've ever been looking for a really heavy stitch, something to make it look like you use thicker thread or a great top stitching stitch, this is it. You're going to find that it's going to do 2 stitches forward and then 1 stitch back. And there's a reason I'm sewing it kind of on the bias of this fabric, because I want to show you that this stitch actually stretches. So look how nice and bold it is. I love it. It looks really pretty in variegated thread as a decorative stitch as well. But look, have you ever needed to have something reinforced that when it was pulled it didn't pop? This is the stitch you want to use. This is stitch number 2. Let's do stitch number 8 just to have a little comparison. Yes, it will come up like a zigzag width of 6 and a length of 4, but you can make that actually any size that you want, but we'll just do it at the default settings here. This almost looks like a rickrack stitch. Again, could be decorative, but it is meant to really reinforce anything that needs some extra stitching area. Okay, that should give you a nice idea. And this is why we recommend that you sew out all those stitches, because this wouldn't have looked any different on screen, but it sure looks amazing on your fabric. So next time you need to stitch something maybe 3 times to get it nice and strong, just pick the stitch, like stitch number 2, and let it do it for you.